This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Catch. Actually, cooking for you for the nickname is indeed, that's one of the most important things actually in a life, isn't it? Inner peace. How much says here? Manny, sweetie, that's quite an interesting question. I didn't even know that there was some sort of the measurements for that, so I'm really sorry. Don't know an answer for that. But if you came up with something like that, it's Crazy Town 5 times multi. If you are making your own business or something out of the, thing with which you're measuring that, then go ahead. And boom, shakalaka, woo! Popping out of the Crazy Town, ladies and gentlemen, in a 5 times top split. Are you ready? Follow me. Woohoo! Welcome everybody at Crazy Town's bonus round. Lovely to see you out here joining. As you may see, fantastic multiplier wheels in front of you, which also includes the doubles. But that's not about it, because we're catching up on a 5 times top split. 5 times top split, so it means every single multiplier is increased 5 times. And only now you're about to choose a flop first. So the color green, blue, or yellow. Which one would you like to stand for? Let's go ahead and choose. If you can choose, you can go for an auto pick, and a randomly selected one will be adjusted for you. Ready? The maximum multiplier, darlings, 500x. Let's bring it out. Boom, shakalaka, woo! Maximum 500 on a yellow flapper. 75.
This is the amount of money issued for 141,679 euros.
Well, darlings. Welcome back to the studio. The 75x, 100x, and 500x multipliers. Congratulations. As yellow flapper managed to get a highest multiplier, she was located.
195 players won this game. Players, can you feel the love that's in the air? Place your bets for the next round, please. Not a lot of time left. Oh, the bets are closed. Here we go. Top slot, that's pachinko, and a 5 times multiplier. I don't know what to do with my hands. It's pachinko. Ladies, gentlemen, the pachinko offers you some multipliers. All right, 3x, okay? 5, 7, 10, 20, 35, 40, 50, double, and a 5 times multiplier from the top slot. Oh, look at those multipliers. We gotta get at least one. Now, ladies, gentlemen, maximum multiplier is worth 250x. And there is a chance for a double. Players, you already won. Hope you know that. Are you surprised? 200x in the...
This is the amount of money issued, 715,814 euros.
Monday. Flo, 30,150 euro win for you. Madu and Litu, you're the top 3 winners in this round. Place your bets for the next round, please. Lucky, the suspense was real.
Lorenzo, Blanche, 659, top 5 minutes, well done to you. And as always, let's see what we can do. Good luck to you in the next rounds. Can I say wait, can you repeat Mahal Keto? Mahil Keto and Filipinas? Is that how you say it? Coin flip with a 7x multiplier in the top slot. Let's keep going. Look at his BT, ladies and gentlemen. Coin flip. But not just a regular coin flip. 7x multiplying the top slot. Yes, sir. Hallelujah to that. We will gladly take it. Let's go. Welcome to the coin flip. 7x multiplying the top shot. Let's put it on a red, and as always, let's hope for the best. Okay, you know what? We're hitting those coin flips. Not bad at all. Ladies and gentlemen, any predictions? Imagine if we would get the 100x multiplier side this time, please. Machine. Don't disappoint us, okay? Let's see what we get from it, guys. Good luck to you. Ooh, okay, pretty decent. So that's going to be 175x. Come on, Blake. 35x in the red. Sorry, no offense, but nobody cares about you at the moment. 175x, that's our priority. Come on, Blake. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a blue color right there. 175x multiplier. Yes, sir. There we go.
This is the amount of money issued 108,193 euros.
Actually very good. Very, very good. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. And coffee at top 5 minutes. Well, Angelica, I'm not going to read your message out loud, but you're risking. You're playing with fire, Angelica. Be careful. Otherwise, they're going to attack you in the chat. You know, there's a lot of them in the head. Anyways, let's continue. Beds are closed. Cash on with a 20x multiplying the top, so let's keep going. Because I have 13 cats. Wait. One more. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, look at this big banger hit. Cash hunt. With a, no, not a 5, not a 2, not a 10, but a 20x multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this beating. I'm not going to press confirm yet. Let's just enjoy this beautiful flapper hit. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Kajan with a 20x multiplier. Perfecto. And we also get a good board. We also get a good board with a lot of 100x multipliers. Oh boy, this is a dream come true. Okay, 2000x multiplier. Wow, yeah, this is insane. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good luck to you. Enjoy. To be honest, doesn't matter what you get, it's still gonna be, you know, at least decent. It's gonna be good. It's definitely gonna be something above 100x multipliers, so. But of course, priority is 3000, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope you're gonna get it. May the hunting season be in your favor. Good luck to you. May your shots go straight. You know what? I'm going for this apple. Let's see what I would get if I was a player. Well, lady, I didn't get a 2000.
This is the amount of money issued 359,633 euros.
I wish you all best of luck in the next round. That was crazy. Let's continue. Wow-a-wee-ya. Wow-a-wee-ya. Anyways, there we go.